Hi everyone, my name is Engineer Wanjira.
My name is Engineer Douglas.
And we are Stema Engineering, where we pride ourselves in powering your world. So due to the current pandemic caused by the COVID-19, a lot of us are on lockdown and we are in our own homes most of the time. And we thought it wise to just share with you a few of the things that really consume a lot of power in your own homes. A lot of us don't know this, but there are so many appliances that use up so much of our electricity.
Some of the items that we can demonstrate here, we have the iron pots and the electrical kettle that has an element. Anything that has an element will use a lot of electricity, and these are the things that we can minimize in using them.
In the same motto of using appliances that have heating elements, we have common appliances such as the bulb. This is a halogen bulb that has a filament that usually when electric current passes through it, it heats up and produces light. Now, this is a 60-watt bulb, and most of the power that it consumes is used in heat as opposed to giving light. And this is why this is not the best option for you in your homes as you are currently on lockdown. We have alternatives in the market, such as the LED bulbs. Now, the LED consumes, it probably gives about 80% as light and about 20% of the power consumed as heat, which is pretty good savings. So you might as well end up using even a 40-watt LED or a 20-watt LED bulb as opposed to a 60-watt halogen bulb, and it'll give you the same amount of light.
Other solutions that we can have, if you happen to have the solar water heating system in your home, you better use it instead of using the instant showers. This can save you a lot of power.
On top of that, we might not also notice that our TVs use somewhat a lot of power, definitely depending on the size, but we can also conserve in the sense that we can opt to use our TVs in saving modes, or we can use less light on the TV so that we can consume less power at the end of the day.
In the same line that we are not going to work, we can avoid ironing our clothes because we are not going anywhere. We can also do one shower because we don't have much activity at home. Then we can save our energy.
In addition to that, while cooking, you don't really have to use the electric burner. You can use gas as an option, and if you run out, there's a lot of things that we can accomplish with the microwave as well. So it's important to identify the order of priority in which you use your cooking appliances.
So in the line of energy saving, we can also have you use the solar systems that we have around. Here we can demonstrate what we have. We have a home solar solution that can charge your phone, can also give you an emergency lighting instead of using maybe a generator which uses fuel, which is costly. So if you need just light and charging your phone, you can be using this home solar system. It has like 3 levels of light. There is dim, there is medium, and there is brightest. If you use dim, it can light up to 3-4 days. If you use brightest mode, you can use it for like 12 hours, which is enough for you. So if you have 2-3 of them and you have like a 3-bedroom house, you can be using them as a solution. Another solution that you can have the hot water system. This one is done according to each and everyone's needs, and a survey can be done and your house can have the solar water system. This solar water system is able to save you a lot of energy in that in the kitchen when you need hot water, it will be supplying you. In the laundry, if you need hot water system, it can be providing you the hot water, and during showering, it can provide you the hot water system. Another advantage with it, it has its own element. So when there is no enough sunshine to heat the water, it can heat up through the element, which again, since the water is somehow at a higher temperature, you use less power compared to when you are heating with a direct element.
So for these and more power solutions to conserve your electricity, you can reach us at any of our online platforms. We are on Twitter, on Facebook, on Instagram. You can reach us on email. You'll find our contact details in the description box below. And feel free to reach out to us when you are in need of these solutions and so much more. Thank you for joining us for this episode. See you on the next one.
Bye.